Welcome to our channel, where we explore unconventional methods of improving mental health. Today, we will discuss how quantum mechanics can help improve mental health for the spiritually inclined. Quantum mechanics is the study of the behavior of matter and energy at a microscopic level. This may seem far removed from mental health, but recent research has suggested that the principles of quantum mechanics can help improve mental health. In this video, we will discuss 10 tips for improving mental health through quantum mechanics. Tip 1. Practice mindfulness. In quantum mechanics, everything in the universe is interconnected and constantly in flux. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and fully experiencing the interconnectedness of all things. By doing so, we can reduce stress and anxiety, improve mental clarity, and increase our overall sense of well-being. Mindfulness involves being aware of our thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations without judgment or attachment. It can be practiced through meditation, yoga, or simply by being fully present in our daily activities. By practicing mindfulness, we can create a greater sense of harmony and balance within ourselves, and cultivate a deeper appreciation for the interconnected nature of the universe. Tip 2. Embrace uncertainty. In quantum mechanics, uncertainty is a fundamental principle that states that the precise location and momentum of a particle cannot be simultaneously known. Embracing uncertainty involves acknowledging the inherent unpredictability and impermanence of the universe, and learning to live with a sense of openness and flexibility. This can be a difficult practice, as humans tend to crave stability and certainty. However, by embracing uncertainty, we can develop a greater sense of resilience and adaptability, and learn to approach challenges and changes in our lives with a sense of curiosity and openness. Embracing uncertainty can ultimately lead to greater personal growth, creativity, and a deeper understanding of the interconnected nature of the universe. Tip 3. Practice visualization. In quantum mechanics, the power of observation can influence the behavior of subatomic particles. Visualization is the practice of using the power of the mind to create a mental image of a desired outcome. By doing so, we can tap into the creative potential of the universe and bring about positive changes in our lives. Visualization involves focusing our attention on a specific image or idea, and allowing our minds to create a vivid and detailed picture of that image. By regularly practicing visualization, we can develop a greater sense of clarity and focus, and align our thoughts and actions with our desired outcomes. This can ultimately lead to greater success, fulfillment, and a deeper appreciation for the interconnected nature of the universe. Tip 4. Practice gratitude. In quantum mechanics, everything in the universe is interconnected and constantly in motion. Practicing gratitude involves recognizing and appreciating the interconnectedness of all things, and expressing thanks for the positive aspects of our lives. By doing so, we can shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, and cultivate a more positive and abundant mindset. Gratitude can be practiced through daily rituals such as journaling, meditation, or simply by taking a few moments to reflect on the good things in our lives. By practicing gratitude, we can increase our sense of well-being, strengthen our relationships, and create a more positive energetic vibration that can attract more positive experiences into our lives. Tip 5. Connect with nature. Quantum mechanics suggests that everything in the universe is interconnected. Connecting with nature can help us tap into this interconnectedness, reducing stress and improving mental health. Connecting with nature is the practice of spending time outdoors and immersing ourselves in the natural world. By doing so, we can reduce stress and anxiety, improve mood, and increase our overall sense of well-being. Nature has a calming effect on the mind and body, and can provide a welcome break from the hectic pace of modern life. Connecting with nature can be as simple as taking a walk in the park, sitting by a body of water, or going for a hike in the woods. It can be practiced alone or with others, and can be a valuable tool for improving mental health and promoting a greater sense of connection to the world around us. Tip 6. Practice forgiveness. In quantum mechanics, everything in the universe is interconnected, and every action we take can have a ripple effect on the world around us. Practicing forgiveness involves acknowledging the interconnectedness of all things, and letting go of negative emotions towards ourselves and others. By doing so, we can release the heavy and dense energy that negative emotions can create, and cultivate a more positive and harmonious energetic vibration within ourselves. Forgiveness can be practiced through self-reflection, empathy, and communication. By practicing forgiveness, we can free ourselves from the burden of negative emotions, create deeper and more meaningful relationships, and contribute to a more peaceful and compassionate world. Tip 7. Practice meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help us connect with our inner selves and improve mental health. Quantum mechanics suggests that the universe is made up of energy, and meditation can help us tap into this energy. Meditation is the practice of training the mind to focus on the present moment and cultivate a sense of calm and inner peace. By practicing meditation, we can reduce stress and anxiety, improve mood, and increase our overall sense of well-being. Meditation involves sitting or lying in a comfortable position and focusing on the breath or a specific object or mantra. It can be practiced for as little as a few minutes a day, and can be a valuable tool for improving mental health and promoting a greater sense of self-awareness. With practice, meditation can become a habit that helps us navigate the challenges of daily life with greater ease and resilience. Tip 8. Focus on positive thoughts. Quantum mechanics suggests that our thoughts and intentions have a direct impact on the world around us. Focusing on positive thoughts can help us manifest positive outcomes and improve our mental health. Focusing on positive thoughts is the practice of intentionally directing our attention towards optimistic and constructive ideas. By doing so, we can improve our mood, reduce stress and anxiety, and cultivate a more positive outlook on life. It involves being mindful of our thoughts and actively choosing to replace negative thoughts with positive ones. This can be done through positive affirmations, visualization, or simply by focusing on the good things in our lives. Focusing on positive thoughts can help us develop a greater sense of gratitude and resilience, and can be a valuable tool for improving mental health and overall well-being. Tip 9. Practice self-love. Quantum mechanics tells us that everything in the universe is interconnected, including ourselves. Practicing self-love involves recognizing this interconnectedness and treating ourselves with kindness, compassion, and respect. By doing so, we can improve our mental health, increase our sense of self-worth, and create a positive ripple effect that extends to those around us. Self-love involves practicing self-care, setting healthy boundaries, and acknowledging and accepting our flaws and imperfections. It can be a difficult practice, but by recognizing our own inherent value and worth as interconnected beings, we can cultivate a deeper sense of love and compassion for ourselves and others. This can lead to a greater sense of peace, fulfillment, and purpose in life. Tip 10. Let go of negative emotions. Quantum mechanics teaches us that all matter is made up of energy, including our thoughts and emotions. Negative emotions can create a dense and heavy energy that can weigh us down and impact our mental health. Letting go of negative emotions involves acknowledging them, understanding their root causes, and intentionally releasing them. This can be done through practices such as meditation, therapy, or simply by changing our thought patterns and focusing on more positive and constructive ideas. By letting go of negative emotions, we can create a more positive energetic vibration within ourselves, which can lead to greater mental clarity, emotional stability, and overall well-being. Thank you for watching this video on 10 tips for improving mental health through quantum mechanics. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you will consider incorporating them into your daily life. Remember, improving mental health is a journey, and it takes time and effort. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on unconventional methods of improving mental health.